Okay, so for those of you who don't know what private labeling is, let me start off by briefly explaining and introducing you to private labeling and its potential, because in this course we are going to focus only on private labeling products, sourcing methods for selling on Amazon. So private labeling, which is also known as white labeling or OPM. It is a way of sourcing products where you arrange with a manufacturer to put a brand name on a product that they're producing, and to create a custom packaging for that product. Basically, you're creating your own custom brand without doing the manufacturing part. So the whole production is done in a factory in China or actually anywhere in the world. And then you simply buy X number of units and tell your supplier to put your logo on a product or to create a custom packaging. Of course, you're also able to work with a supplier to create minor product improvements so you can have a totally custom and unique product. Now, the reason why private labeling is the most lucrative business model currently available on Amazon is because profit margins are much higher compared to selling brands from other companies. With this model, you can expect margins of up to 60%. But the most common profit margin is about 40%. And also, by having a unique brand, no one else can sell the exact same product like yours under your product listings. Another advantage when you're building your own brand, which not so many people talk about, is exit potential. So when you're selling somebody else's brand, you're basically building somebody else's business. But if you're working on marketing your own line of products under your brand name, you're building your own asset that can later be sold to other businesses as well. Nowadays, Amazon private label businesses can be sold for up to 30 times your monthly profit, which means that if you build a $10,000 profit per month Amazon private label business, then you can expect to sell it for between $2,500 and $300,000 in cash. And this will be hard to achieve if you were to sell somebody else's brand on Amazon. And honestly, this level of scale and asset building is not possible with other selling strategies, because with private labeling you're building your own asset and intellectual property in terms of trademarks without doing the production and manufacturing part. So like I said, in this course I will show you step-by-step ways to find high-quality and reliable suppliers overseas or domestically in the United States. Also, I will show you how to negotiate and how to get high-quality products produced under your brand name. Then once your product hits Amazon FBA, you will learn how to get highly targeted traffic to your product listing, and how to increase perceived value of your brand and product, so that you can position yourself as a premium brand and make customers pay extra for your product. Now, if you're wondering how much it would cost to start a private label business, the answer is not much, but it depends, because of course it depends on which products you're sourcing. What type of shipping are you using? And also, if you're selling high-risk products, then you will need to get liability insurance. But for basic and non-complex products, you can start with less than $1,000. And in some cases with even less, you can easily negotiate with most suppliers to source between 500 and 1,000 units with your brand on each product unit. And also, with custom product packaging. And then once you achieve high rankings and higher level of sales, you just need to reinvest profits into more inventory and scale your business. Also, when you're selling on your own private label brand, you are setting the rules, which means that you're free to sell your brand anywhere you want. Your private label brand can be expanded to other Amazon marketplaces such as Europe, United Kingdom, Japan, Mexico, Canada. You can also sell on other e-commerce websites or through your own e-commerce store. Or you can even go a step further and offer your brand to offline retail stores. The decision is yours. Remember, Amazon is only one distribution channel, but currently it's the best one for launching a new private label brand. This is all part of asset building, which can lead you to big 6 or even 7-figure exits. So that's it for now. Let me know if you have any questions about private labeling and Amazon. Send your question as a comment below this video, and I will reply to you soon. Good luck.